Hello everyone, this is Dan Rodbell from Ansardi Financial Services with an educational economic update for May 2020. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in April. I will also provide some perspectives on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Stocks rebounded sharply in April, fueled by a flattening pandemic curve and positive results from the clinical trial of a virus treatment. The Dow Industrials, which had dropped 14% in March, jumped 11%. The S&P 500 rose nearly 13%, while the Nasdaq Composite led, surging more than 15%. A slowdown in COVID-19 infections allowed stocks to turn higher, while a more stable bond market also helped support the rally. Momentum stalled a bit as oil prices dropped, but gains accelerated as the month progressed as more states began talking about reopening their economies. In the coming weeks and months, as the national dialogue shifts towards restarting the economy, two key factors may help investors gauge the pace of the recovery. The first could be each state's actions. The White House has rolled out a three-step plan toward a full reopening, but it leaves the ultimate decision-making to the governors of each state. The second factor could be public sentiment. How soon will people be returning to an office to work, going out to eat, and traveling again? That remains to be seen. In the midst of this uncertainty, remember, we are here to support you and your family during these times. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions or concerns you may have regarding COVID-19's effects on the market. And to those working on the front lines, thank you from everyone at Ansardi Financial Services for the sacrifices you make every day and especially during this pandemic. Your dedication and commitment are astounding, and you have our deepest gratitudes. That's it for this month's economic update. Once again, this is Dan Rodbell with Ansardi Financial Services, signing off for the month of May 2020.
Advisory services from Ansardi Financial Services LLC offered through Investment Advisors, a division of ProEquities Inc., a registered investment advisor. Securities offered through ProEquities Inc., a registered broker-dealer and member of FINRA SIPC. Ansardi Financial Services LLC is independent of ProEquities Inc. All information is based on sources deemed reliable, but no warranty or guarantee is made as to its accuracy or completeness. Neither the information nor any opinion expressed herein constitutes a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any securities, and should not be relied on as financial advice. Past performance is not guarantee of future results. All investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal, and there can be no guarantee that any investing strategy will be successful. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. No investment strategy can guarantee a profit or protect against loss in periods of declining markets. The indices mentioned are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly. Past performance does not guarantee future results. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is an unmanaged index that is generally considered representative of large capitalization companies on the U.S. stock market. The S&P 500 Composite Index is an unmanaged index that is considered representative of the overall U.S. stock market. The Nasdaq Composite Index is an unmanaged index that is considered representative of small capitalization companies. Index performance is not indicative of the past performance of a particular investment. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Individuals cannot invest directly in an index. The return and principal value of stock prices will fluctuate as market conditions change, and shares, when sold, may be worth more or less than their original cost.